Let's finish off with some more solving over here. So this time on this problem, we actually have both an x and a y. You can ignore the m that just stands for meters. It's given you a unit of measure, like inches or whatever. But let's just pick one side we're going to do first. So we've got the x. Notice the x is between the single angle and then the one that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings on it. So we've got to do the same one on the other side, the one that has the single angle and the 5 ring one. Okay, so I'll do the small one over the large one. So small side over large side. And we'll do the same thing for another side. So on this big shape, the only other place that has just a single number is this 18. So we're going to want to use the 18. And that's between the double angle and the triple angle, so that's this one right here. So that means we'll do 4 over 18, and then we'll cross multiply. So 3 times 18 is 54, x times 4 is 4x, and 54 divided by 4 is 13.5. And that's not a repeated decimal, so I'm okay with a decimal for that one. So we've got our x. Let's go ahead and now do the y. So the y plus 2 would have to go with the 5. So we're gonna, I'll do it in a different color. We'll do the same thing. I'm actually gonna use the 4 over 18 again. I'm just gonna write it first, since I already know that relationship. And then I'll take the 5, because it's on the small side, over the y plus 2 and cross multiply. So 5 times 18 is 90, and we have 4 times y plus 2. So 90 is, and we're going to distribute, so 4y plus 8. Then I'll subtract 8 from both sides. So I have 82 equals 4y. And I'll divide both sides by 4. And 82 divided by 4 is 20.5. So both of them ended up being decimals, and that's okay. All right, let's do another one where, once again, you've got to make sure you find the correct pairing. So let's just pair the correct side. So the 39, that's the very longest side. On that one should go with the x minus 6. The 27, so that one's touching the single angle, should go with the y. And then that means the 18 should go with the 24. Let's start by finding the x. Now, once again, it actually doesn't matter what order you put them in. I could do the 39 over x minus 6. I've just been doing the smaller shape over the bigger shape every time, but it doesn't matter what order, as long as you stay consistent. So I did x minus 6 over 39. So now I'm going to do the 18 so that I don't have two variables over the 24, and then I'm going to cross multiply. So 24 times x minus 6, and then 18 times 39 is 702. Let's distribute. So 24x minus 24 times negative 6 is negative 144. That's equal to 702. So I'll add 144 to both sides. So 24x equals 846. And then we'll divide by 24. And this one's also a decimal. You get x equals 35.25. Once again, as long as it doesn't repeat, I'm okay with decimal answers. Okay, let's do the y. So notice I'm going to use this exact same one because that's the one that did not have a y in it. So we will 18 over 24 equals, and then I'm going to do y over, the y was with the 27. And then we'll cross multiply. So 18 times 27 is 486, and that's equal to 24y. And then we'll divide both sides. Oops. By 24. You end up with 20.25 equals y.